This week I'm trying a different set of compression on the audio because I've noticed that there's a hissing in the background. So here is it before and here it is afterwards. Can you notice a difference? I rescue, repair these poor pieces of wood and get them working again. To them,
I'm the Resurrectionist.
Ahoy hoy! We got a bass. This is the third of the 4 instruments that I got from the reuse shop to do up. I'm probably the one that was in the worst state. It is a Yamaha RBX. I've got to the age where I need my readers and my lookers. An RBX170. It's an entry level bass guitar. If you don't know, bass guitars usually got a longer neck, thicker strings, an octave lower. Few fun things about it. Probably scrolling across underneath is the specs. They're not enormous, they're not wrong, and it is a usable instrument. What needed doing on it? Well, the first things first is that neck was not straight. On entry-level bass guitars, I've found this a lot, especially scrappy ones, is that this is bent banana fashion. Look up banana bass on one of my previous grotty guitars. I've straightened this as much as I can. It's not perfect. How are you going to get a perfect bass neck? Well, I have thoughts. This is one piece of timber, for example. We can make that stiffer by having it multi-laminate and at that plane, which prevents it moving quite as much. There is, of course, a truss rod, and the truss rod adjustment is there. A truss rod is a metal rod that goes through the middle of the neck to compensate for the bend. We've got a maple neck. I'm not sure of the body. Well, it says it underneath. It's black. It's got 2 sets of single coil pickups. What else? Well, importantly, the output jack was absolutely knackered. It didn't exist, and neither did the output plate. So I made one. It's good. It's not perfect, but it works and it's reasonable looking. The same for the back plate. That was missing. I've made one. Could I make it better? Yes. But we're talking an entry-level instrument isn't made anymore. really love is this swoop that comes down. So if you look at the front, we've got a continual curve coming down to there, which is really nice. And you've got full access to all 24 frets. 24 frets. So, what does it sound like? Here we find out. Right. Contact cleaner time. Welcome back. So yeah, contact cleaner was what was needed. So what does it sound like? We've got 2 pickups and a tone. Let's leave the tone on full for the moment and start with a bridge pickup. And let's try the neck pickup. Let's try both of them. It's not bad, it's not good, but it's... Let's turn the tone down. Let's try that with a tone up. Now let's try the fuzz again. So, in conclusion, what have we got? We've got an entry-level bass. It's okay. It's been resurrected. It's not the best bass. I would prefer the neck a bit flatter. I couldn't find original jack plates or a back plate, so I had to make it myself. There is wear because it's been used, because it's been loved, because it's been played, and that's what these are for. So from my research, they sold at around, I think, £220. Top price 120. I'd say sell it for 80 or 90. It's a great beginner's bass. Not amazing, but it's got a straightish neck, and that's all that really matters when it comes to a beginner's bass. It won't put you off. Anyway, until next time, subscribe, more stuff down there, and here come the cats. Toodle Pip.